Hi everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I am drawing the winner for my fall or Halloween October 2023 challenge. Here are the entries for October's challenge. We had 27 people enter. Thank you guys so much for supporting my channel and joining in on my hashtag. I appreciate it so much. Before I draw the winner, let me show you the prize for October. We have a nice selection of dewdrops here. My current challenge that is going on for November, which is Christmas, or use the colors red or green. This challenge is going to run until December 31st of 2023, and I will draw the winner in January. I will not have a new release in December. I do currently have Pastel Christmas available, but now there's only 4 left. Let me quickly show you the current release for November 2023, which is Traditional Christmas. We have the Grinch Green, we have the Golden, we have the Rudolph Red, and we have the Snowball. These are glittered, and you may see some of that residue in the baggies, and that is normal. These currently are available in my Etsy shop. You get 25 of each color, and it's $5, and I ship for free. My Etsy shop is linked down below. Okay, so for the October 2023, we had 27 entries. I would like to remind everyone to please make sure that you tag me at DoubleClick Connect so that I am notified that you entered the challenge, as well as using the hashtag DoubleClick Connect challenge. I noticed that some people did not tag me and they did not use the hashtag. Please be sure to tag me and use the hashtag DoubleClick Connect challenge to make sure that you get entered into the prize drawing. So let's see, 1 through 27. I have my random.org here. Okay, I'm going to turn off my light to get rid of that glare, make it focus, and we have 27. 1 through 27, and we're going to generate. That number is 25, and that winner is Sharon from Cheap to Chic. Congratulations, Sharon. You won my October 2023 Dewdrop Prize. Yay, congratulations, Sharon. Thank you guys so much for joining in my hashtag. Come along and join this month for Christmas or red and green, and you have a chance to win another set of dewdrops. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, and have a great day. Bye, guys.